Join me as I put the Kinect Tech Gadget to the test and see if it can really revolutionize my life. I have to say, I was skeptical at first when I heard about the Kinect Tech Gadget and its purported ability to revolutionize everyday tasks. I mean, we've all been there, right? We've all seen those ads and infomercials promising the world, only to be left feeling disappointed and underwhelmed. But I have to admit, the claims being made about this gadget were intriguing, to say the least. So, let's face it, daily life can be frustrating, to say the least. We're all busy, we're all trying to juggle a million things at once, and sometimes it feels like the universe is just conspiring against us. Take, for instance, mornings. You're trying to get ready for work, the kids are screaming, the dog needs to be walked, and you're just trying to get out the door on time. It's chaos, right? Or what about when you're trying to cook dinner, and you realize you're out of a key ingredient, or the recipe is just not turning out as planned? These little frustrations can add up and make our lives feel like they're spiraling out of control. And then, of course, there's the issue of organization. I mean, who hasn't spent hours searching for a misplaced phone charger or wallet? It's like we're all just trying to stay afloat in the sea of stuff, and sometimes it feels like we're drowning. And don't even get me started on productivity. We're all trying to be more efficient, to get more done in less time, but it's hard, right? It's hard to stay focused, to stay motivated, to stay on track. But what if I told you there was a way to make all of these frustrations disappear? What if I told you that the Kinect Tech Gadget was the solution to all of your daily woes? Sounds too good to be true, I know, but hear me out. The Kinect Gadget is, in a word, phenomenal. It's like having a personal assistant, a life coach, and a tech guru all rolled into one. First of all, it's incredibly intuitive. I mean, I'm not exactly the most tech-savvy person, but I was able to figure it out in no time. It's got a sleek design, it's portable, and it's just so easy to use. But what really sets it apart is its ability to anticipate your needs. I mean, it's like it can read your mind or something. One of the features that really blew me away was its organizational capabilities. I mean, this thing can track your schedule, remind you of appointments, and even help you prioritize your tasks. It's like having a personal assistant in your pocket. And the productivity features? Unbelievable. It can help you stay focused, block out distractions, and even provide you with little motivational boosts when you need them. I have to say, I was amazed at how seamlessly the Kinect Gadget integrated into my daily life. I mean, I was a little worried that it would be one of those things that I would use for a week and then forget about, but no way. This thing has become an indispensable part of my daily routine. I use it every morning to plan out my day, and every evening to unwind and prioritize my tasks for the next day. But the real game changer for me was when I realized just how much more I was able to accomplish in a day. I mean, I was getting more done in less time, and I was feeling more relaxed and in control. It was like I had finally found the secret to productivity, you know? And the best part is it's not just about getting more done. It's about living a more balanced life. I mean, I was able to spend more time with my family, pursue my hobbies, and just enjoy life in general. In conclusion, I have to say that the Kinect Tech Gadget has genuinely revolutionized my life. I mean, it's hard to put into words just how much of an impact it's had, but suffice it to say that I'll never go back to my old way of doing things. And I think it could do the same for you. I mean, imagine being able to tackle your daily tasks with ease, to have more free time, to just feel more in control of your life. It's a pretty amazing feeling, let me tell you. Thanks for watching, guys. If you've got any tech-related stories or tips, leave them in the comments below. And if you want to check out more of my tech-related content, be sure to check out my previous videos. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more awesome content. And I'll catch you in the next one.